I don't think so. All right. So today we're doing more simplifying of expressions, such as 1 minus 1 over sine squared of x. All right. So when you have multiple fractions, you want to put them down into one fraction if possible. Okay. So how do we get this into one fraction? Take the first one times sine squared of x over sine squared of x. So you get sine squared of x over sine squared of x minus 1 over sine squared of x. And so now they can be written as one fraction. Sine squared of x minus 1 over sine squared of x. All right, now that we've got that much done, what's sine squared of x minus 1 according to the Pythagorean identities? Is it cosine? I don't think so. Negative cosine squared of x. And what's negative cosine squared over sine squared going to be equal to? Negative cotangent squared of x. And there we go. So now we're going to look to change things into sines and cosines and then simplify them as far as they can go. If they can get down to one term, we'll try to get them down to one term. If they can't, they can't. But there you go. Let's do another one. Let's say we have cosine to the fourth of x minus cosine squared of x over cosecant of x. Now, some would say, well, can't really do much there, so let's just stop. Well, we're not going to stop there. We can do a little bit, such as factoring out what on the top? Cosine squared of x. And you're left with cosine squared of x minus 1 over cosecant. When we see cosecants, cotangents, tangents, secants, we want to change them into sines and cosines. So what is cosecant? 1 over sine of x. So this is equal to cosine squared of x times what? What's cosine squared of x minus 1? Negative sine squared of x. Can I get rid of this denominator somehow? Multiply by the reciprocal. So you have cosine squared of x times negative sine cubed of x, or negative cosine squared of x sine cubed of x. And there you go. Because you bring that negative all the way out to the front.
This one falls down as I talk. It's not my fault. Dude, I can't. Where am I getting that? I'm always say that to you. What vaccine gives you like cancer? That's not a thing. Are you talking about that doesn't exist? Well, it's generally known as any vaccine. Oh my gosh, shut up. It's like the one that makes you know.
All right. What's cotangent squared of x plus 1 equal to? Cosecant squared of x, correct? Which simplifies to be 1. Okay, that was way too easy. this is wrong. That should be cubed. There. There we go. Now let's simplify this. Abby Ellen, what did you do first?
What?
Abby, that was like 2 lessons ago. We're way past that. So what do you think we might want to do first?
You know, Mr. Bridgewater, I'm gonna say that we gotta change cosecant into something else right now. I agree with
You gotta think we change cosecant into something else?
Yeah, I think we want to keep it 1 over sine.
I would take a side. I would factor. Thank you, Trey.
Oh, why would you say that? Ethan, you're so stupid. Trey is so much cooler than you are. Bad.
Now we can do what Ethan wanted.
Yeah.
What is cosecant of x?
1 over sine.
1 over sine of x. All right. So we did that. Anything I can simplify there? Yeah, we can do that. What else can we do?
You can divide by Didn't cosine squared plus sine squared like 1 or -1?
Yeah, exactly. So you have sine of x times 1 over 1 over sine of x. And I know you guys said last step, let's do this. Let's do it on this step. Then we're going to multiply both top and bottom by sine of x. So these cancel. So we get sine squared of x. Dang. Okay.
Who invented trigonometry?
Um.
Why would they Jonathan Trigg?
Yeah. Okay.
John trigonometry.
I think ancient Egyptians invented trig.
Like how many sleepless nights did that to go through to realize sine of trig is like yeah. Trig was just along with us all the time. It's like we found like a monolith. Like
The Big Bang happened and out came Trigg.
no, for 2001 Space Odyssey. He found the monolith. Now he knows how to do
Space Odyssey. It doesn't really matter.
6 problems. There you go.
Shut the heck up, dude.
You are saying a lot of really cool things. It also doesn't matter.
No, I remember my grandpa. That's like,